Hello Forex traders and welcome to daily setups for Eivind Bydall mentorship students for 23rd of December. Just going to hop on here and tell you my view on the market, reassure you that we are absolutely doing very fine. I am obviously not doing trading as much as more. So what is really happening here? This was the top in the zone we wanted. Is this a new lower low? Yeah, but what really happened today is we came back to support, to resistance, clear sell. Now, did we make a new lower low? It seems to be like, it's not really a reversal that I would be like, oh, this is amazing. I feel like it's almost like a trick. I don't know why, but it just doesn't have the momentum down for it, okay? So for me, if we just go down to maybe daily and see what happened today, if you were a seller, clear sell zone, clear sell zone. If you bought, you didn't get stopped out though so far, but you are definitely in some losses, and you still have your losses down there, suppose down there. But if you see here, market structure, you know, that can still happen. It looks like a double top, goes low, but still makes and goes higher. I think that's still plausible, but it didn't do that here. The other thing is, where are we 1st of January? Are we low? That can actually spike a bullish January, kill all bullish, all bearish trends, and my hope is that we end up somewhere around this price of 76 or M3, somewhere around M3, and then we either in 1 day or 2 days or 5 days we can go down to 73, and from there I'm looking for it to go higher again. So more and more my trade plan is selling from M3, hard and fast, taking profit, because that seems to be very likely at the moment where the added risk is in the market, and dollar is not really respecting that. So for the day, if you are basically just a seller, I'm just going and really just only talking to sellers today, buyers were not in it. This is where you sell, this is where you sell, good night, and continue lower. For euro, kind of the same thing, sell, and continue lower. Another thing is, it hasn't really broken 21. It hasn't really made a new lower low. Yes, but it's still a 4-hour support. It hasn't broken this one either. So if we do the trend, where are we right now? So we have dipped and we are somewhere here. What do I tell you? On the 4-hour, it needs to then break below here. And I also said we're supposed to use 1 hour for that and all those things. But I don't see the momentum in the downtrend. So I don't really believe it. I think they're just waiting for it to just take that back up again. Almost fooling people that this is going to go down. Another thing, I feel apparently today, I feel that this is just warning that a reversal is coming. How can you warn a market about a reversal? Let me see if I can find it in previous years. For example, here, also here we have a beginning of a trend, but it didn't really work out. But here is really the trend, right? So it's kind of like, it just tells you that yes, it shows weakness. It's not as strong down anymore, but it definitely will do that. Another thing is kind of here again. It shows that it has potential, but it comes back up again to sell first and then back down. And then it went back up. All right, but It's just, I don't know. Is it a sixth sense? Is it something? I don't know. But this is the other thing. If we end up low, we might have a bullish January. So those are the two trade plans I'm going through with today. So as you are for buyers today, you are supposed to sell here, you're supposed to sell here and see how things goes. Be worried, be rest assured I'm not selling. I am not selling. Nope, nadas problemas. The other thing is pound. We have now been in a range of 400 pips. Plenty of money to be made on the daily. Sell, sell, sell. Beautiful. If you are a seller, that's what you're going to do. If you're not a seller, don't do it. Have you noticed something else? What time frame is this? What time is this? This is 22, my time. So whatever your time is, 23, 22, 00. Sorry about that. It's around market. Is it close or is it open? Close. That GU and GJ at their highest. Okay, so if you want to be in a bearish trend, that's when you look for price to be highest. Alright. Other than that, I'm not selling it. I don't trade pound. It's really just for people who like some risk in their life. Gold, definitely not a positive sign. I wanted this to be the bottom. We said around 1870 in the group, I guess 71 or 2, and we have broken that, and it's a bit depressed. So I don't know if I want a bullish day tomorrow and then some kind of pullback. It's still bullish per se, but it's not technically as beautiful as I wanted it to be. Definitely wanting that to go higher, and other than that, I don't know. So we might maybe just get one day like that where it just breaks out at 2 a.m. when everyone's asleep. Cool. The other thing that I think Trump said that he didn't want to sign the deal, and that's what's really going on at the moment, because he wanted more stimulus. So that can send this thing down, yes, but then in the end, it will go higher. GJ, just going for the daily at the moment. Sell, 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 sell. If you are a seller, but it's a range, so I don't know if that really feels. If you really want to do that, buy, 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 stop buying. It's straightforward, nothing fuzzy, but it doesn't really fall except for the famous Monday where everything crashed. New Zealand, turning around down, sell, sell, sell on the daily. Don't know what I'm going to expect from you guys. It's kind of weird. Struggling to, well, it's been in a range all all month actually, so I don't know. Which is to go lower maybe. USD CAD, yeah, broke out, pull back, buy again if you are a buyer, but other than that, leave it out. If you're a seller, just leave it. Buy, buy, no buy, buy. Yeah, all right, whatever. It's just waiting for it to turn around again, I guess. US oil has turned lower. Selling, selling, selling. That's not a sell though, but that's a sell point. And this was maybe the first sell to sell from. In an uptrend, going higher, going higher, going higher, new low, pullback, sell. So there's only one sell here, technically. Other than that, cool, whatever. Australian dollar, yen, CAD yen, that's bad. Euro yen somewhere in the middle somewhere. New Zealand yen has broken down, came back to sell again, came back to sell again. Bearish momentum. Not over the moon of the momentum, but it's what it is. So what am I saying? Basically, at the moment, as it stands today, we are making a double top, new low, pull back to some kind of daily zones, comes back down again, up again to sell from another sell zone. But also what this actually looks like is momentum starts to die. That's all. Risks for tomorrow, not really anything else than just some economic calendar things like BOJ meeting, monetary policy meeting. That's important. Other than that, initial jobs is not so important anymore, and durable goods orders, yeah. Core personal consumption expenditure, important. That's important. But other than that, no, nothing else. And then nothing here. And something on Friday. So we are very good now, where we don't have market risk in that sense. What is the other risks that is in the market? It is Brexit. It is COVID. It is the stimulus. And we have risk of that also just came over us. All right, so if you want to make trade plans, that's really what you want to do. Look for daily entries, and you have gotten quite good ones at the moment. So yeah, happy profits, people. Yeah, other than that, I don't have anything else for you other than Euro New Zealand. And I just want to say that looks like my trade plans is coming true. I don't know when I made these things, but looks to me that I've done something about it, and another daily bullish entry. Euro might be strong, New Zealand might be weak, so this is going higher. Cool. Don't risk money count for to lose. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, happy festive season. I am definitely now going to do less Forex videos, as you might see, and I hope to see you in January. Just remember, I will be working and hopefully prepare you well in advance of January 1st, and that should be done at least by 26th or 27th. Okay? Boom. See you next year.